Deep in the ocean, a living fossil holds a secret. Its shell, a masterpiece of natural design. But what makes it so incredibly perfect? This isn't just any curve. It's a logarithmic spiral. A shape that expands yet never changes its form. From tiny ferns unfurling, to majestic spiral galaxies. This perfect curve is everywhere. For the Nautilus, this means a home that perfectly accommodates its growth. Always strong, always balanced. It's a testament to the profound order woven into the fabric of existence. A silent whisper of mathematical beauty.